Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to learn German and enhance your language skills, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best apps available on Android that can help you master the German language effectively, no matter your skill level. Let's get started. Wlingua, learn German. Wlingua is a comprehensive language learning app that focuses on teaching German through engaging lessons. It offers a structured curriculum that covers vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking skills across various levels, from beginner to advanced. The app uses interactive exercises and quizzes to reinforce learning, making it easier for users to retain information. Wlingua also includes audio recordings by native speakers, which helps improve pronunciation and listening comprehension. Its user-friendly interface and adaptive learning techniques make it a great choice for anyone looking to learn German systematically. Todaii Learn German A1 C1. Todaii Learn German is designed for learners of all levels, from A1 to C1, following the common European framework of reference for languages. This app provides a wide range of resources, including vocabulary lists, grammar explanations, and practice exercises tailored to different proficiency levels. Todaii incorporates multimedia elements such as audio and video content to enhance the learning experience. Users can also track their progress and set personalized learning goals, allowing for a more tailored approach to mastering the German language. The extensive content and comprehensive structure make it suitable for serious learners. Learn German with Readle. Learn German with Readle focuses on improving reading and vocabulary skills through engaging text-based content. The app features a variety of articles, stories, and dialogues that are appropriate for different language levels. Users can read along while listening to the audio, which helps with pronunciation and comprehension. The app also includes interactive exercises that reinforce the vocabulary and grammar found in the texts. Learn German with Readle is an excellent tool for those who enjoy learning through reading and want to expand their vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top German learning apps has inspired you to start or continue your language journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.